make yam tin kai or chicken feet salad. This recipe is meant for 2 to 3 person, so check out my description box for the full recipe. Here are our ingredients. We have celery leaves, fish sauce, tomatoes, palm sugar, red shallots, red chilies, garlic, and some lime, and chicken feet. These are the ones we get right from the market and it's usually already cooked. These taste neutral and have a fun texture to chew on. All we have to do is blanch it in hot water. Do this very quickly because it might get mushy. Let's get chopping. This is our lime, just gonna cut it in half. For our celery leaves, we're just gonna cut it about this length. Chinese celeries are commonly used in Thai cuisine. This is a wonderful herb. The smell that they give out in these kind of salads are incredible. And now for our tomato.
And I'm just gonna cut it roughly like this to the size that I would like it to be because yeah, that's about right for these kind of salads because you still want to munch on it.
These two, we're gonna pound them. Thai salads in general are a beautiful blend of spicy, sour, salty, and a hint of sweet. So what we have here is my pestle and mortar, and I'm just gonna drop my 2 ingredients in, which are garlic and chili. If you don't like your salad to be spicy, you can just put in 1 minimum. But as for me, I'm gonna put in 3. If you don't want your garlic to fly around, just cut it into smaller pieces. I'm gonna pound them now. Just coarsely pound them. You're just gonna see which pieces is looking a bit too big because we want it to be bite-sized. So this one, so just like this, it's good. And this is too long, so just gonna cut it. Like this one, it's very chunky.
Please try to use fresh limes and not bottled lime juice.
Okay, this will be my mixing bowl, mixture that I pound. Then I have my fish sauce, palm sugar, lime juice that I squeezed. Gonna give this a mix. Look at that beautiful colors. My mouth is watering already. This is your chicken feet. Make sure you drench the chicken so there's no excess water. Just gonna give this a good mix. Make sure every piece is covered. Tomatoes, beautiful tomatoes, shallots, and celery leaves. Wow guys, look at that color. This is what I'm talking about. Let's plate this. Look at that. You can choose to either eat this by itself or with white rice. I'm just gonna have it by itself today. So let's go in. Wow. 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 It's sweet, it's salty, it's sour, it's spicy. This is so good, like even thinking about it makes me salivate. It's that good. Give this video a like if you find it helpful. Share and subscribe to support me and to be notified when the next video is up. Until then, see you next time with a new Thai recipe. Bye bye!